Alright guys, what's up? Today I took a trade, break even on US 30. Going to be going over it real quick. So, starting off on the daily, obviously we're bullish, just because look at the past three candles, past four candles. They're very bullish. We broke structure above here, broke structure, inverted scalp also. So we're just looking very bullish. I know some ICT guys will say to me like, "Nah, this is bearish, bro." I understand because you guys are scalpers, but basically on this strategy you trade much more higher time frame, so yeah, you're in the trade for longer, so you would want to stick to the overall trend. So that's why I hope you can see why I'm saying it's bullish. But yeah, going down to the 4 hour, what do we see? Breaks of structures to the upside, displacement to the upside, very nice. We also see a tap, we see a break in this level right here. We see a tap back in, rejection, very nice and clean. And then price comes all the way down. And then we're at this point in time where it kind of displaced, but not fully because it also re-tapped into this zone. But it also made a nice reaction out of it. So price was coming up, as you can see here. So on the hourly, yeah, remember the same place, right? It barely closed. It didn't even close below the level, right? It nicely respected it, and then made nice reaction out of it right here. And then when did NYSE open up? By the way, bear in mind there was news today, so I'm gonna mark it out at 3. Today I logged on at 3 p.m. UK time. Reason being because of red folder news. I don't want to trade that because I'm on a prop firm. So yeah, as you can see, we had a zone right here, right? So I marked it out. I marked out my zone right here. Marked out, wait for it to get broken. Because remember, I only want to look for longs. I want to look for breaking retests in the direction of longs. So this got broken on the 15 minute. I like my levels to get broken on the 15 minute. It broke very nicely on the 15 minute. And also on the hourly. So that's just what makes it super clean. Like, that's what I love about it. So at that point in time, I'm waiting for 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is right here. 3 p.m. rolls around. Price taps back into our level very nicely. And then at that point in time, I go on the 5 minute and I'm waiting for a charge. So price taps in, fakes out these guys, sweeps the lows, makes a charge. The charge was right here. It's the last leg down which caused the tap, the retest. So the charge was there, it broke above around here, my entry was there, stop loss below the low, and a simple 1 to 2. Now at 1 to 1s, as you guys know, I go break even. So tapped a 1 to 1 very nicely. I went break even, and yeah, tapped out break even. I don't know why it didn't really play out. I mean, maybe it's just a huge retracement, which yeah, I can see now it is. It's a retracement to the downside to come back up. Unless it wants to break this, then that's calm. But yeah, guys, that's literally the trade. Like, we just move on. December, for me personally, isn't looking the best so far. Last week wasn't that good. It was like plus 1%. This week, I don't want to say too much yet. Yesterday, there was no trade. Today was break even. It just lacked distribution. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the week has to offer. You know? Taking it nice and slowly. We're going to keep our psychology up straight. But yeah, that's literally the trade. I mean, I think it was an A star, bro, to be honest. It was a very nice setup. Let's just quickly go and see our swing trades. What the hell? I did not do this. What the... Anyways, don't know what's happening there. I really don't know what's going on there. Oh, well, this hit TP. It's beautiful. Let me see. MetaTrader 4, did it close out? Hasn't even closed out yet. Let me close it. Boom. Trade bashed, man. You guys see that? GBP JPY. Lovely trade, man. Lovely trade. Bottom tick action. But yeah, simple supply level. I mean demand level, and yeah, took our trade and boom, in the trend. So that's a good trade. Going to be looking for more trades on that pair. I really love that pair. And then USD JPY. Ooh, what's going on? Maybe it'll tap back and then dump, but we'll see. This is not looking good so far. Anything else? That looks like it's it. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking when I go through my swing trading. Let me just go through and see like what's happening. Euro USD, there's nothing. Nothing on GU. Wait, what? We're at all-time highs? There's no way. Yeah, I was gonna say. Can't be. What's that right there? Monthly order block. Gonna set an alert there. Ooh. Very clean. Monthly order book on USD CAD. Okay. And market also does look overall bullish. Very clean. Yeah, guys, I'm taking that. Look at that depletion. I'm taking this. What's it? USD CAD. We're gonna enter live. USD CAD. Boom. 2 lots. Brother. Attention, the trader will execute market conditions. There we go, I hope you saw that. So yeah, look, we're in those USD CAD longs. Okay. Let me just mark it out. Boom. Stop loss. Wait. Here maybe? Yeah. Seems good. Oops. Seems good. This is the trade. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. See you later.